In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Ads bid strategy. First, open your favorite web browser and search for Google Ads. From the results, click the official Google Ads website. Make sure the URL is the legitimate Google domain so you're in the right place. Once you're on the home page, click Sign In and log in with the account that has access to the campaigns you want to update. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check you're in the correct one before moving on. Inside Google Ads, look to the left-hand navigation and click the Campaigns icon. This takes you to your campaign workspace. Next, open the Campaigns drop-down at the top. From that menu, select Campaigns again to reveal the full list of all your active and paused campaigns in a table view. This ensures you're seeing everything you might want to edit. Now in the table, check the box next to the campaign or campaigns you want to update. You can select one or many, but remember that bid strategy changes affect performance and learning, so only group campaigns that share similar goals. With your campaign selected, look above the table for the Edit menu. Click the Edit drop-down that appears. When you choose to edit settings in bulk, a dialog may pop up to confirm that you're making changes. Click Confirm to continue. If you see language about stopping or removing a campaign and that isn't your intention, close the dialog and make sure you're in the Edit area for settings, not a pause or remove action. From the Edit options, choose Change Bid Strategy. This opens the Bid Strategy selector. Here's where you pick how Google should bid in auctions for the selected campaigns. You'll see choices like Manual CPC, Maximize Clicks, or automated strategies focused on conversions or value. The options available can vary based on your campaign type. Select the strategy that aligns with your objective. For example, if your priority is volume and you're comfortable with automation, a maximize conversions or maximize conversion value strategy may make sense. If you choose a strategy with targets, such as a target cost per action or a target return on ad spend, enter a realistic target based on your recent performance to avoid major swings. When your selection looks right, click Apply to save. You should see a confirmation message at the top of the screen indicating the changes are in progress or complete. Keep in mind that changing bid strategies can reset or impact the learning period, so give the system time to adapt and monitor your results after the change. That's it. You've successfully changed your Google Ads bid strategy.